Hi friends, welcome to ALS Max JEE YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about wavy curve method. This wavy curve method is useful to intermediate students and CBSE plus 1 plus 2 students, and it is useful for competitive exams also, just like MSET, JEE mains, advanced. Next, wavy curve method. Let f of x equal to x minus a1 whole power k1 into x minus a2 whole power k2 into so on x minus an minus 1 whole power kn minus 1 into x minus an whole power kn. Here a1, a2, an minus 1, an are real numbers. a1, a2, so on an are real numbers, and k1, k2, kn minus 1, kn are natural numbers. So on kn are natural numbers. This wavy curve method is used for finding the values of x when f of x positive, or this method is useful for finding the values of x when f of x negative. How to find the values of x when f of x positive, or how to find the values of x when f of x negative? Draw a real line. Let us draw a real line. Take plus infinity here and put minus infinity here. Suppose these natural numbers, these real numbers a1, a2, an minus 1, an are in ascending order. Suppose a1 less than, a2 less than, a3 less than, so on an minus 1 less than an. Put a1 here. Here a1 is the least number among all these real numbers. So a1 here. Next, put a2, a3, so on an minus 1 and an. We always take positive sign here. In the last interval, we always take positive sign. If here we have x minus an whole power kn, here power is kn. If kn is even, then we take this sign here. Then we take the same sign, that is the positive sign here. If kn is odd, then we take opposite to this sign here, that is opposite to positive sign is negative sign. Take negative sign here. Similarly, next power of x minus an minus 1 is kn minus 1. If kn minus 1 is even, then we take the same sign here. Then we take the same positive sign here. If kn minus 1 is odd, then we take opposite to this sign, that is negative sign here. If kn minus 1 is odd. If kn minus 1 is even, then we take same positive sign here. If kn minus 1 is odd, then we take negative sign here. This process is continued by putting all positive and negative signs up to this interval. Then if f of x greater than 0, if f of x greater than 0, then set of values of x is the union of, if f of x greater than 0, then values of x which satisfy f of x greater than 0 is the union of all intervals which contains positive sign. Union of all intervals which contains positive sign. If f of x is negative, then the values of x which satisfies this inequality is the union of all intervals which contain negative sign. This is the wavy curve method. Suppose if k1, k2, kn minus 1, kn are all odd, if k1, k2, so on kn minus 1, kn are all odd, then we take here, this is the real line, put plus infinity here and minus infinity here. This is a1, a2, a3, so on an minus 1, an. Here we always take positive sign. If k1, k2, kn are all odd, then we take alternatively positive and negative. Here we put positive, then next negative, and next positive, negative, positive, negative. So if k1, k2, kn are all odd, then we take positive and negative alternatively. Here we put always positive sign, and remaining intervals, and in remaining intervals we take positive and negative alternatively in this way. Let us see one example on wavy curve method. Let f of x equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5 by 2. If f of x positive, if f of x positive, draw a real line, take plus infinity here and minus infinity here. Here, if x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, that is a1 equal to minus 1, a2 1, a3 2, a4 5 by 2. These real numbers are all in ascending order. We take these real numbers always in ascending order. So minus 1 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 5 by 2. We take positive sign always here. Take always positive sign here. Powers, each power is odd. So each power is odd. K1, K2, K3, so on, Kn are all are odd. Therefore, we take alternatively positive, negative in that way. Here we take always positive sign. So here we take negative. Alternatively positive and negative. Next we take positive, next we take negative, next we take positive. We have to find the values of x when f of x positive. When f of x positive, the values of x is the union of all intervals which contain positive sign. That is, x belongs to, this interval contain positive sign, minus infinity to minus 1, union. This interval also contains positive sign, 1 to 2, union, 5 by 2 to infinity. Open interval 5 by 2 to infinity. If f of x positive, then set of values of x is the union of all intervals which contain positive sign. These three intervals contains positive sign. So if f of x positive, then x belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to 2, open interval 1 to 2, union open interval 5 by 2 to infinity. If f of x negative, if f of x negative, then x belongs to union of all intervals which contain negative sign. This interval contains negative sign. So x belongs to open interval -1 to 1, and this interval also contains negative sign. So union x belongs union 2 to 5 by. If k1, k2, k3, so on, kn are all odd, then we take positive, negative alternatively. And if f of x positive, we get, then the values of x is the union of all intervals which contain positive sign. If f of x negative, then the values of x is the union of all intervals which contain negative sign. Open interval -1 to 1, union 2 to 5 by. Suppose if f of x equal to x minus 3 by 2 whole power 3, x minus 4 whole power 5, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 1 whole power 4. Suppose other example, if f of x equal to this one, take real line. This is the real line. Put infinity here and minus infinity here. If x minus 3 by 2 equal to 0, x equal to 3 by 2. This is one root. X minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. X minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Here least number is 1. Take 1 here. And next least is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and 2, and 4. These 4 roots are arranged in ascending order on real line in this way. Here we take always positive sign. Positive sign. That is, this one is x minus 1 whole power 4. X minus 1 whole power 4, x minus 3 by 2 whole cube, x minus 3 by 2 whole cube, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 4 whole power 5. This polynomial can be written as in this way. We take always positive here. Next, x minus 4 contains odd power. X minus 4 contains odd power. So we take opposite sign to this sign here. Here we take positive sign. Opposite to positive sign is negative sign. Take negative sign here. Next, x minus 2. X minus 2 whole square. So x minus 2 contains even power. So we take the same sign here. Same sign of negative sign is negative. Take negative here. Next, x minus 3 by 2. Here we take 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 whole cube. So x minus 3 by 2 contains odd power. So we take opposite sign, opposite to this sign here. Opposite to negative sign is positive. Last one is x minus 1 whole power even. So x minus 1 whole power even. So this term contains even power. So we take the same sign here. That is positive sign here. If f of x positive, then x is the union of all intervals which contains positive sign. So then x belongs to union of all intervals which contains positive sign. This interval contains positive sign minus infinity to 1. Union minus infinity to 1, union 1 to 3 by 2. So minus infinity to 3 by 2. Minus infinity to 1. Union 1 to 3 by 2. Take minus infinity to 1 open interval. Union 1 to 3 by 2 open interval. Minus infinity to 1 contains positive sign. And 1 to 3 by 2 also contains positive sign, and 4 to infinity contains positive sign, union 4 to infinity. If f of x negative, then x belongs to, x is the union of all intervals which contain negative sign. Intervals which contain negative sign, these two intervals contains a negative sign. So x belongs to open interval 3 by 2 to 2, union 2 to 4. This is the wavy curve method. Thank you very much for watching ALS Max JEE YouTube channel.